If you want to connect Google Calendar to Notion so you can keep your schedule visible right inside your workspace, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's a simple setup, and once it's done, you can access your calendar from your Notion page without switching back and forth between apps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to add your Google Calendar. This can be a planning page, a content calendar page, a team dashboard, or any workspace where you want quick access to your schedule. Once you're on the right page, click into the body of the page and type /embed, then select Embed from the menu that appears. This creates an embed block where you can place your calendar link. Now switch over to Google Calendar in another tab. Once Google Calendar is open, look for the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then choose Settings for My Calendars and select the calendar you want to link. After that, find Access Permissions for Events. This is where you control whether the calendar can be shared outside of Google Calendar. If you want the calendar to be viewable inside Notion, enable Make Available to Public. That step is important because Notion needs a public link in order to display the calendar embed properly. If the calendar is not public, it may not load inside Notion. So if your goal is to view the calendar directly on the page, make sure this setting is turned on. Next, scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. Here you'll see the public URL to this calendar. Copy that URL carefully. This is the exact link Notion will use to display your Google Calendar inside the embed block. Now go back to your Notion page. In the embed link field, paste the Google Calendar URL you just copied. After that, click Embed Link. Notion will load the calendar and add it directly to your page. Depending on your settings, it may take a moment to appear, so give it a second to finish loading. Once it's embedded, you can resize the block and move it around just like any other Notion element. That means you can place it near your tasks, notes, project plans, or weekly schedule so everything stays organized in one place. This is a really useful setup if you want a cleaner workflow and faster access to your calendar. And that's it. You've now linked Google Calendar to Notion. You can use this to keep your planning more visual, more centralized, and much easier to manage. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.